When you're wearing your Fitbit, make sure the side button is facing you. Press and hold the side button for 2 seconds and the first icon you will see is battery level. Scrolling down, you will see the screen wake button. To conserve battery, your Fitbit screen stays black unless you wake it, like it did just now. When the screen wake is on, and it's lit up like this, you will be able to see your screen simply by turning your wrist toward you. I highly recommend turning this feature on, or otherwise you have to hit the side button every time you want to see your screen, like that. Scrolling down, you will see the notifications. Click on it. If it's black like that, your notifications are off. Click it again, and it'll light up and your notifications will be on. Lastly, scrolling down, you will see where it says on wrist. If you click it, it might turn to on clip. If you're going to choose to wear your Fitbit on a clip, select that icon. For me, I'm going to keep it on my wrist. The screen is a touch screen, so you can start by tapping the screen. The first icon that appears below your home screen are your steps. It's a good idea to slowly work your way up to 10,000 steps a day. From here, swipe down. The next icon shows the calories you've burned today. The next one shows active minutes. These are periods of activity done for 10 minutes or more, including brisk walks, running, or cardio. Keep scrolling down and you will see distance moved per day in miles. Slowly work your way up to 5 miles per day. The next icon displays hourly steps. Remember, you don't want to be sitting for hours on end. We're now going to swipe up back to your main screen. If we swipe up from your main screen, the first icon you see is timers. Click on it. This shows you the stopwatch, or if you swipe up, you can use a countdown. The stopwatch is great to see how many minutes you've exercised. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. Swipe up one more time to go to settings. The first option is clear user info, which you will not need to do. But if you scroll down, you can see where there's device info. If you click on this, it will give you your device model number should you ever need that.